Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs, Norbert, has confirmed his voting details. Norbert has taken a screenshot and uploaded to show that he has checked and confirmed his voting location. Mao said, "My fellow Ugandans, I have verified my voter registration status. Use this link to verify yours." So he's encouraging Ugandans to use the link ec.or.ug/register. So voters polling information, Norbert Mao's polling information is already here. He has made it public. His surname is Norbert, is Mao. Then other names is Norbert. The gender is male. And voter number 668999179. His village is Ole Rosary, and the EC has indicated you are registered at district Sgulu City, constituency is Laro Paja Division, and then sub-county is Laro Paja Division, parish is Queens Avenue Ward, and then polling station is Ole Rosary B to Z. That's where Norbert Mao will be casting his vote. I don't know whether he will be contesting as rumors are coming. But also on the other side, one person who has already confirmed that he's contesting, that is Odonga, also did the same thing. Odonga has called upon the people, said, as I prepare for the 2026 parliamentary election, I verified my particulars using the link below, the same link as Norbert Mao said, that's ec.or.ug/API/voter/ID/. So the difference again is in subdomain, so I think it all works well. Norbert Mao, I mean to say, Odonga is also encouraging the voters to check by posting this, and he has posted his information, voter information, surname Odonga, other names. Otto is male by gender. Voter number is 65083741, and his village is Vietnam. Yeah, some nice names of villages in Acholi. There are some villages in Acholi which I also call Luzera. I think 2 villages. So Dongatao comes from Vietnam. He is registered at Padey district, Aru County, which is his constituency. Then, Gom sub-county in Gulnam parish, and his polling station is Upolachian Primary School. So Upolachian Primary School is where Dongatao will be able to cast his vote, and he is already having 1 vote. If he makes it to the polling station, Ceteris Paribus. So that is it. Ahead of the build-up, you are encouraged to go and check where you're going to vote, to make some confirmation that there's nothing missing. Then also on the other side, a number of MPs have been doing the same thing to remind the Acholi people of the things. Among the MPs who have done that are Cole Anthony, Minister Corey, Ricky Gilbert have reminded people. So they're reminding people, like a sample from Honorable Ricky Richard Anywar, who is the Member of Parliament for Agago West. He said, "Dear voters, make sure to visit your nearest polling station to register or confirm your details. Being prepared is crucial, and your vote truly matters. Let's make our voices heard." That's a message from Ricky Richard Anywar. So you can check it online through the method shown to you by Odonga and Norbert Mao, or you can go to your nearest, as you say, go visit your nearest polling station and they check for you. I think this works for those who don't have the smartphone or the internet accessing device. You can easily visit. And also for those who have not yet registered, you're also required to visit so that you get registered. That's for those who are interested in voting.